This is how we started, and this is how we finished. Okay, here's our two-car with baseboards complete. Just finished putting on the polyaspartic top coat. So this was full diamond grinding. We cured off the original cure, ground off the original cure and seal. And then after we got that off, we changed tooling, and we ground off the cap. So when we got back down, it was just aggregate. There were no control joints in this floor, but there were some pretty decent sized cracks. Nothing major. Here's some detail around the fixtures. And the baseboards. So this is a polyaspartic top coat, UV stable, very durable. This color is Domino, so it's really a simple blend of black, gray, and white. Very neutral in color. It's hard to see now, but it reflects a lot of light. Here's our leading edge that we faced up and rounded over. Some minor repairs along there as well. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
Pro Tech Epoxy Floors, Newport, Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Pro Tech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.